Hello and welcome to the video lectures of English subject. Today we will see notice writing. In this video we will cover what is notice, the meaning of notice, format, what all notice includes, what are the essentials of notice and the types of notices. So coming forward we will see the meaning of notice. So notice is a display sheet or a play card giving news or information regarding an event that is about to happen or has happened. So notice is a display sheet. Whenever a notice is given somewhere, you get to know whatever is going to happen or what has happened before. So it gives the information regarding an event which is going to happen or has happened. Let us see what are the essentials of notice. What would you include in notice? So the essentials of notice is, the first thing you'll write in the notice is name of the issuer of notice. Whomever is issuing the notice, whomever is writing and issuing, giving the information, that you will write the first. Okay, second thing you will write is the date. Whenever you are writing the notice, its date will come in the format. Third is title or subject. Now what is the notice all about? Okay, so that will come in title or subject. You will write the title or the subject over the notice. Next is what, when, where. It comes in the body of the notice as you have written letters. So letter has also got the address, date and everything, subject, and then the body of the letter. Same is the case in the notice too. The notice also you will have to write all the details in the body. When that event has been organized or is going to be organized, where and at what time. Okay, what, when and where. So these are all the essentials of notice. Coming to the types of notices. So types of notices, one is handbills, posters, bulletins, advertisements and circulars. So these all are types of notices. As I have already told you the meaning of notice, let us see the purpose of it. As you all know, the notice is a formal means of communication and the purpose is to give information to a specific group of people. So notices are put up on display boards in school or public places or can be printed in newspaper. So let us see the format of notice. So this is the format. First of all, you will draw a box in your copy. Then the first thing you need to write is the name of institute or organization issuing the notice. That name would be in block letters. Block letters means capital letters. So here in the mid of this box, at the top of the box, you will write the name of the institute or organization issuing the notice. Whoever is writing or whoever is issuing the notice, that name would be given here. The second thing you will write in this box is here at the mid, after the name, is the word notice. Here itself you will write notice. Okay. Third thing is date. So on the left part of the box you will write date. So whatever date, if it is mentioned in the question, it is well and good. If it is not mentioned, you can write the date on which you are writing the exam. So here comes the date. Next thing is the title or description of subject. Whatever notice has been issued, that title or description of the subject you can give it in this middle here. When you are done with the title or description, then here comes the main body of the notice. Main body means the contents. Whatever contents, including the schedule of the notice. Whatever event is organized, that schedule will come here. Date, time, venue, you can write everything here. Whatever you need to mention in the notice, everything would come in this body of the notice. So this part you can use for the date, time, when, where, how, everything. Next, last thing is here on the left of it, left of this box, notice box, here would be the signature of the person. whomever is writing the notice or issuing the notice, his or her signature would come here. Then the next, name of the person issuing the notice. Whoever is signing here, his or her name would come here, okay, in this box. Then the designation, if he is the president or any, you need to write the designation of that person. So I hope the format was clear to you. Let us see one question to make it more clear. Okay, I will read the question for you. Understand it, just because it is a very important question for your board examinations, and it would definitely come. So better be prepared very nicely with this notice part. Your question is, you lost your wristwatch in your school auditorium. Write on notice in not more than 50 words for your school notice board, giving a detailed description of the watch. You are Anirudh or Arundhati of class 12th of Springfield School, Pune. See, now what the question says, that you have lost a wristwatch and your name is Anirudh if you are a boy, or Arundhati if you are a girl. You are of class 12th of Springfield School, Pune. Now let us put this question in this format. First, what we need to write, name of the institute or organization issuing the notice in block letters. Now who is issuing this notice? So Springfield School, Pune. Okay, Spring. So this notice has been issued in the school. So you will here, as per the question, you will write the name of the school. Next is notice. Here you will write as it is, just because it is a notice, you will write here notice. Okay, next thing is date. Date is not mentioned in the question, so you will write today's date. So whatever date you are writing the exam, you can write here date. Next thing is title or description of subject. Now what do you want to convey to people, what information do you want to give them, that something has been lost. So you can write here lost. As soon as the viewers of this notice, they will see this notice, they will see the word lost in capital letters, and they will get to know that something has been lost, and then they will read the whole notice. So here you will write lost. Okay, lost. Now here what contents you will write? Today I lost my wristwatch in the school auditorium. It was a, now you will give the description of the watch, how that watch was, when you lost it, and where do you think it has lost. So it is a Swiss military watch with a stainless steel chain and a red cross mark imprinted on the dial at the bottom. The finder will be given a good treat. Kindly contact the undersigned. Okay. So the notice reads that the description of the watch is given. Then it is given that whomever gives me the watch, I will give him a good treat. And also the contact is given, that whatever name is mentioned here, so kindly contact me. Now here, if you are a boy, you will sign as Anirudh, or if you are a girl, you will sign as Arundhati. Here you will write the name Anirudh or Arundhati, and designation, you don't have any designation, you can write here as class 12th. So okay, so this was the format of notice. It is a very important question, so be prepared with it. That's all for today's video. Keep learning and keep recalling. Thank you.